I'm from the DSD, which means Bed Doctor, the Immigrant and the
I mean, to come from government to come.
No, my own purpose here is to take care of the dog. No, don't.
Not be juju be that.
I'm a vet doctor from the government. I was sent here to take care of the dog and remove all the shit from the dog cage, from the dog body.
Okay, move all the whole dog shit from the dog cage and the whole dog body. Wait, Abobi, say you be who?
My name is Dr. Vent Ola. I'm from the VDS, which means Vent Doctor Service. I'm here sent by the government to come and check the well-being of your vents.
Ventilation
to know if it's doing well or it's doing bad.
Well-being of my vent. I mean, well-being of my dog.
You are a bad boy. Bad boy.
Okay, because what they see,
you are a bad boy.
Like say you look like thief.
You are a bad boy.
Khalifa, I want me make una show. Vet doctor don't come. Come back. I want me vet doctor don't show. Come back.
My name is Dr. Ola from the VDS, which means Vent Doctor Service. I'm here to check the well-being of your dog to know if it's doing good or it's doing bad.
Sharp.
Boss, because of shit, I'm already going to make a